Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters, alphabets and numbers. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, dark green color, sky blue color, purple color, black color, red color, dark pink color, blue color, light green color, brown color, orange color, and light pink color. Kids, now you draw A and use light pink color. A for apple. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C and use blue color. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use light green color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for guard. Kids, now you draw H and use sky blue color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use yellow color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M and use brown color. M for moon. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use black color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Kids, now you draw Q and use dark pink color. Q for queen. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use orange color. S for sun. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U and use red color. 1, 2. Kids, now you draw 3 and use dark green color. 3, 4. Kids, now you draw 5 and use purple color. 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7 and use orange color. 7, 8. Kids, now you draw 9 and use yellow color. 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.